Welcome to our channel, Criminal Justice Learning Online. I am Charles Rambo, your training and development partner. My real-world commentary comes from being a retired lieutenant from the Fulton County Sheriff's Office in Atlanta, Georgia, with over 30 years of law enforcement management, executive level labor relations, and curriculum development as a training academy instructor. Certified as a senior instructor by the Georgia Peace Officers Standards and Training Council, I have delivered Socratic-based courses before thousands of peace officers in Georgia law enforcement academies and hosted webinars viewed by thousands of students in 42 different countries. We are now introducing our Georgia Post accredited and approved COPSEC series, You Get What You Tolerate, on our channel. What sets our learning apart from others is we know your time is too valuable to listen to banter and opinionated commentary. When you subscribe and watch our 5 free Learn and Lead videos, it is my goal to inspire you, the next generation of thought leaders, about authentic organizational change with proven real-world applications. It's candid in perspective. It presents a proven framework for eliminating business-as-usual behaviors in the organizational culture and holds the people up that you lead to their greatness with transparent and accountable results. Get a sneak preview in 5 free short videos on transforming your leadership style, performance management, CompStat analytics, progressive discipline, and sexual harassment prevention. And here's how it's going to benefit you professionally towards continuing education. At the end of each tutorial, enroll into the COPSEC certificate program, and according to your state post council training rules, earn 1 credit out in our downloadable professional study guides and mobile webinars for only $29.99. That's a fraction of what it would cost for per diem, hotel, gas, and the time of sitting in the classroom. Our mobile learning allows you to access your selected training on any mobile device, anytime and anywhere. Ideal courses for criminal justice leaders just like you, on the go, to transform endless possibilities within yourself and your organization. To learn more about hosting You Get What You Tolerate as a seminar or workshop, please visit criminaljusticelearning.online or connect with us on Instagram and Twitter at Instructor Rambo. But most important, give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to this channel.